What is up, everybody? It is Cyber Scrapper, and I'm back. I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment down below. I am back with a new video. What's up, guys? I haven't scrapped in so long. So I came from a job, moving tires and unloading and loading tires in the trailers and stuff. And I worked there for about 2 weeks, not really 2 weeks, but Wednesday, Friday, and then next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I decided I was gonna go ahead and leave that job. My mom and my family and the rest of my family are going to Florida and stuff, so I decided to take off a few days to even a few weeks, and I'm gonna go and find a new job or whatever. But enough of that. For the time being, while I got the time off and while I got the freedom and the time to scrap, we're gonna go and scrap. I actually found some scrap right down the street from here. And I actually found some brass, some doorknobs, and a vacuum. There seems to be a lot of scrap around here nowadays. Like since I stopped scrapping and stuff, there's been a lot of shit out here that I've been seeing while the time I've been working and stuff. I've been seeing a lot of shit out here that, it needs to be scrapped and stuff. And yeah, I got the time. I got a few weeks to go and scrap. And I plan on going to the scrap yard to sell out copper. Don't mind me, guys. There's a bunch of mosquitoes out here getting me in my face and shit. But yeah, we're gonna go sell copper and maybe some brass. I don't know yet. I still gotta call the scrap yard to see how much brass is per pound. But we're gonna go out and find some stuff. I got my backpack, and I actually got a new bike. My other bike, we're not really gonna talk about that. I just went and bought a new bike, and I'm probably gonna buy another new bike next Thursday when I get paid. Today is Friday, so next Thursday I get paid a couple $100, stuff like that. But yeah, I figured today we go out and scrap. I make a video. Tomorrow I might go and scrap. If it doesn't rain, it might rain, but if it doesn't rain, then I'll go out and make a video Saturday and then Sunday, and we'll see what we can find. But today is a beautiful day, as you can see. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go scrap. Let's go find some scrap. Let's see what we can find. Oh, actually, before we start anything, I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. So we got a hammer here. Now this is 7 ounces. Now I'm not really sure how much this is going to be useful because it's lightweight. It's a lightweight hammer, and it's wood. But and then we have a screwdriver and my handy dandy knife that I got from Academy Sports. They sell really good knives. They're really sharp, and I think they're useful. They're really they hold up really good. And then I got a screwdriver here for unscrewing TVs and stuff like that. If we find any TVs, I haven't really seen. Oh yeah, actually I did see one beside Goodwill. We might go check Goodwill out and just to make sure that they don't have any more TVs out there. And if they do, we'll take the TV and scrap it like usual, and we'll get our copper. But we're gonna sell the copper definitely next week. We're gonna sell something, probably those brass. We'll go see. All right, we'll just see. We'll find out. All right. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Also, we have a pair of gloves that I got from my recent job when I was unloading tires and loading tires in the trucks and stuff. So I made sure to bring these with me because I figured I can use these for scrapping. And it's gonna be just so much fun today, dude. Like, guys, I'm so ready. I'm so ready, dude, to go scrap. All right, and this is my new bike. I just bought it for 65 bucks. It came out to be 71 bucks. I had to get a new one, and probably next check I'm gonna get a new one. But these are used bikes, you know. I don't buy them straight from the stores like Sports Academies, Walmart. You know, I just buy it from a pawn shop every time I get a new used bike. But it's all right, you know, for what it is. It's okay. $70 for this. I could have got probably this from the other pawn shop for about 30 or 40, but it is what it is. You know, I needed a bike. It was an emergency. I needed a bike to get around and stuff. Everything is good on it. Tires ain't that, you know, nothing's really wrong with the tires. They're good. They're fine. The chain is okay. I'm gonna add some lube later to it. Yesterday I went and got some lube from Walmart, so I can start you know, putting some lube on these chains that I, you know, have on my bikes. But yeah, this is the only bike I got right now, but we're gonna go scrap, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Alrighty. Guys, what have you guys been doing? What have you guys been doing? Huh? Been liking my videos and commenting? What have you guys been up to? That's what I'm asking. Yeah, I haven't made it. Well, until like, you know what I'm saying? These girls think I'm crazy. They gotta be crazy. Hold on, I gotta stop. Hold on. I haven't done this in a minute. We're looking in the first dumpster here. I can't find anything. All right, so yeah, I told you guys that we found some brass, some yellow brass, and a vacuum, which really I don't think I need copper motors, because it's gonna be too heavy. I think it's just gonna be too heavy for my backpack, and I don't want to have to carry something that's gonna be, well, the brass too. You know, I really want to take the brass because that's a lot of brass. That's a lot of yellow brass that I found. I'm pretty sure it's still there, but you know. Oh gosh, we're going off this bump. Oh, dang. Okay. But yeah, I think this chain really needs some lube, man. I gotta put some lube on it when I get home. Oh shit. Beautiful day out here today, guys. I don't think there's anything over here either, honestly. But we're gonna double check just to make sure. Really what we're looking for is copper. And we're gonna go to Copper Island today because I haven't been there in so long since I stopped scrapping because I had to work and shit, and I didn't have time to go to the scrap yard. Oh my gosh, my pants is getting stuck in my seat, dude. Whew. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video today. I really do, because I really have been wanting to make a video for you guys. It's been on my mind. It's on my mind all the time. When I look at my channel, I really want to make a new video for you guys, and here we go. Got a new video for you guys. Probably watch that tonight too. But we might end up having some copper at Copper Island. But I'm gonna show you guys what I found, all the yellow brass. We're gonna go to Copper Island, and then we're gonna come back. If there's nothing there, we'll come back for the yellow brass and the electric motor. All right, is that a deal, guys? Is that a deal? I think that's a deal. All right, So we'll probably go this way. But yeah, what else do I need to talk to you guys about? Yeah, guys, I mean, you know, other than that, I mean, you know, I've really been wanting to make a video. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go to, yeah, we're gonna go ride to the scrapyard. Probably Thursday or Friday. It just depends on my timing, my schedule, what I got going on. So yeah, probably about Thursday or Friday, especially when I get paid. So when I go down there, you know, I'll be okay. Like, say if I need to get food or get something to drink, or then I got money because I get paid on Thursday. So yeah, guys, I just hope you guys are enjoying, man. I know you guys miss me. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, I also got this pouch thing for my bike too, because I put my bike lock in there, so when I need to use it, I can just take it out. It's not, so it's not like on the, because usually I'll put it like right here, around it, around the neck right here of the frame, but I just put it in here. See, I got one of these from Walmart. I got one of the pouches. Then I can put my phone in here, so I don't have to take it out of my pocket. I could just, you know. So I've been thinking about getting one, and then I eventually got one yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. But yeah, yeah, guys, that's gonna be a plan. I think I already got some yellow brass, so I might as well sell some of that brass. Oh, another thing, I was gonna get a rack, a rear rack that you can put on the back of a bike, like a mountain bike. I think it has to be like 24 inches. I guess it just depends on your wheel size, which is, this one is a 24. So I think we're good. We can get a bike rack. They cost like $20 at Target, and then you can get one at Walmart. But Walmart, it only holds 20 pounds. And then at Target, the one that they sell, it holds up to 26. So, and it's a little bit longer. I'm not really sure yet, because the one at Walmart is cheaper than the one at Target. You know, so it's differences right there. And the one at Walmart, I think you have to have like some kind of special tool. I think the one at Target you don't. So I think it would be better if I got the one at Target. But I'm thinking about getting another bike just in case, you know, something happens to this one. But I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet, guys, but we'll see what my plans are then. But I'm just trying to make a little bit extra money. I'm just gonna go sell. I'm probably not even gonna go and get the money when it's ready, because you know you gotta wait like 5 days for, to get money for your copper and shit. So I think I'm just gonna go sell it. You know what I'm saying? Then when I get the chance again, maybe a few months from now, I'll go and get the money from there. But yeah, guys, yes, guys, we're gonna go over there and we're gonna check out some dumpsters, see if there's anything over there. And yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, so it doesn't seem like we're finding anything over here. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to a few more places, and then we're gonna go to where I found the yellow brass and that vacuum, and we're gonna get that. So at least we can get that for today, and then we'll probably go scrubbing tomorrow and Sunday. So yeah, stay tuned. anything over here. Might not be over here, anything over here, guys. So we might go back. We're gonna go back and get the brass and the vacuum and get those. So yeah, it's just sitting out there. It's not really, I don't think anybody's really gonna get it because, you know, it's only doorknobs and vacuum, which probably, the vacuum probably doesn't even work. But we're definitely gonna go back and get that if we can't find it today. I thought we would, but I guess not. It's fine. You know what I'm saying? We keep looking. Maybe everything's like gone away. I'm gonna run in here and get something to drink real quick. I want to get me an Arizona, nice cold Arizona. You know what I'm saying? Because I haven't made a scrappy vlog in a minute. So, you know, we gotta refresh ourselves. We got a few dollars. Let's go and get us a nice cold Arizona. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alrighty, got a mango, mucho mango juice cocktail, Arizona. Go. Oh, it's so good every time. Nice, cold Arizona. Woo-wee. Alrighty, everybody ready? I might check a few dumpsters up the street, but it's probably not going to be anything in there. So with that being said, we're going to get the yellow brass and vacuum. I actually got to go to the bank, so we'll probably go and get this stuff and we'll scrap it, and then that'll probably be it for the video. And then we'll come back tomorrow or Sunday and see. We'll go look around. Alrighty guys, we are here and we have some brass, some yellow brass, some doorknobs here, and we have a vacuum. And I'm gonna check the box too to see if there's anything else inside, just to make sure there's nothing else we can't scrap. So, oh yeah, this is hefty right here. This is a hefty thing of yellow brass doorknobs here, man. It's got the front and back. Actually, that's a couple pounds. That's like, I don't know, like 2. You see all this yellow brass right here too? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a cooker here. I think this might be I don't know. I don't know what that is, huh? Let's check this. That's that. That. Alright, we're gonna put this back in here. We're not gonna take this time. Maybe when I get another bike trailer or get it fixed, or when I get this bike rack, maybe we'll take it. But for now, we're gonna take the yellow brass here and the freaking vacuum here. Still haven't solved my cords yet, so I might end up putting a bike rack on my bike so that we can carry more shit, you know what I'm saying? So we got some yellow brass here. This is definitely yellow brass. This has to be yellow brass here. If not, then I don't know what. It's probably steel, but it's not. I know it's not. Look at this. This isn't yellow brass. No, this is not. I mean, yeah, it is yellow brass. All right. Even you guys know this is yellow brass. All right, so I'm gonna set up my tripod. All right, I'm gonna set this over here for a second, so I can put my bike over here so I can destroy this vacuum, or maybe I might screw it out. I don't know yet, but we'll see. We'll see if it has any screws on it. All right. So let's see if this has any screws on it. This definitely has screws. 1, 2, and then 3, 4. That should be it for it, I guess. All right, yep. So we're gonna take these screws out real quick, set it over here. I'll put all the plastic and stuff in the box right there whenever I'm done with it. Alrighty. I think I might no. Yeah, I'm gonna get the cord too, since, you know, I think I still got a bunch of cords that I need to sell, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. Let's turn this. I know I should cut the video, but it's all good. All right. Let's see if I can get you guys in. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get the screwdriver. This time we're just gonna do it more clean. This procedure more clean. You guys know what I'm saying. I can find my freaking screwdriver. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and take the screws out here. I don't know if you guys can see, but is it coming out or what it's coming? Yeah, it's got to keep turning it. I don't know if I got it or not. Let me get my other girl. That smell like tires from my last job, dude. So much. It's kind of hard to turn it. I guess they're on tight. Woo! Is it coming off or what? Can't really tell if it's coming off. Oh yeah, I think it's coming off now. You can see it moving. Oh shit. Come on. Alright, let me get my handle. Alright, I'm gonna screw some of these other screws too. Coming out or what? I'm gonna hit this a few times. Oh gosh. Oh. It's out here, man. Oh shit. Somebody getting pulled over here. Let's see. I don't think this hammer is that strong enough, dude. Oh, shit. Alright. I'll put these back in here. Try to get this thing out, dude. Alrighty, guys. I got it. I got it now. I need my knife. Hold on. Need my knife. Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, I'm gonna use this bag to carry all my shit in here. Let's get this knife here. There you go. Electric motor, baby. Look at that. Look at this electric motor, guys. Oh, my back's flying away. Alrighty. Well, that was a little bit hard and simple at the same time. Let's go ahead and put this in here. Alrighty. There we go. We got a yellow brass too. Easy yellow brass right there. That's a lot of yellow brass though, dude. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Whoever set this out here is trying to get the scrappers out here and getting this shit. There's barely any scrappers. Oh yeah, I gotta tell you guys a story. So one night I was at the store, it's called Food Line, and I was leaving. It was at night, and I saw a guy, he was in a SUV. And there was this big dumpster, and he was digging in it, and I was like, oh gosh, I'm glad that I'm not alone out here, that someone out here is wanting to scrap and dumpster dive and shit, you know? So we're gonna grab this cord too. as well. Let's grab that, put that off of there, and we got a long extension cord here. I still gotta sell all my freaking cords too. So I think we might go and sell some cords Monday. Some of the stuff I know I got some stuff that I need to sell, like my cords and stuff. We can go probably sell that too, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I think all this is brass. Even the nails are brass too, I think. No. Yeah, maybe they might be brass. I'm not really sure. These right here are brass though. These are yellow brass. So yeah, don't even need a magnet for that. And that's heavy. That's heavy right there. That's about 20 pounds, almost 20 pounds right there. So I really need to call the scrapyard and see how much the yellow brass is. We're gonna take this too. Take this cord too. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I really hope. It might not be that long. I know it might not be that long, but I still got other stuff I gotta do. I still gotta go to the bank, put some more money in my bank. Well, actually open a bank account. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and drop this stuff off and charge my phone and see if I can go and open a bank account or whatever. But yeah, guys, I'll be back with another video, hopefully tomorrow, maybe Sunday too. I'm not really sure yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for watching.